In this video, I'm going to talk about the healthiest drinks in India. Some of these are my absolute favorites and I include them in my diet throughout the year. Not only these drinks are tasty and easy to make, but also offer numerous health benefits. Digestion related problems to skin issues to hair fall issues to serious problems of kidney, liver and heart. These drinks serve as pure nectar for the body. Not only I will share with you how to make them, but also when and how to consume so that you can get maximum benefit out of them. So coming up the other side, 7 health drinks that you should try. Number 2 is my personal favorite. Stay tuned. Hello friends, welcome to FitTuber. There are times when we feel like drinking something, isn't it? Hot and cold, for morning and for night, for summers and winters, I have chosen the most versatile health drinks. Starting with number 7 is Ragi Malt. Are you looking for a quick and healthy breakfast drink? Try Ragi Malt. Considering the nutritional and therapeutic value of finger millet or ragi for the human body, it is quite surprising and unfortunate that it is totally absent in most people's diet today. Although a couple of years ago, upon visiting RK Beach in Visakhapatnam, I was quite amazed to see people drinking Ragi Malt. Since then, this drink has been a part of my diet. Let me share with you its quick recipe. In a bowl, mix 3 to 4 teaspoons of ragi flour with a little bit of water, enough to make a paste. Now boil 1 cup of water. Add salt, add the ragi paste and cook it for 2 to 3 minutes. Once it cools down, add lemon juice and curd and mix well. Gluten-free, rich in fiber, calcium, amino acids, minerals and vitamin D, Ragi Malt is a perfect breakfast for the Weight Watchers. Try it out. Number 6, turmeric milk. Yes, we all have had turmeric milk sometime or the other, but this turmeric milk recipe is quite different. In a pan, add 1 glass of milk. Once it starts to boil, add half teaspoon of turmeric. Now add a pinch of black pepper and 1/4 teaspoon of cow ghee. Let the milk boil with these ingredients. That's all. Turmeric with its antibacterial properties has been used in India for thousands of years. This turmeric milk is an excellent detoxifier and blood purifier. It not only cleanses the blood vessels but also flushes out all the toxins from the body through urine, which might have come in your body through food or respiratory tract. Due to this, it is recognized as anti-aging and skin toner. The purpose of adding black pepper was to increase the absorption of turmeric in the body. The combination of ghee and milk acts like a panacea for so many health problems. So if you want to stay away from infections, any cough related issues this winter, for the next 3 months, that is November, December and January, have this Ayurvedic turmeric milk before going to bed at night and you will be amazed to see what it does to your body. Number 5 is buttermilk. Are you one of those who just can't stop drinking water after meals? Or do you feel bloated after a heavy spicy lunch? Well, you need to have buttermilk. Buttermilk or chas, when made in a traditional way, instantly cools the digestive tract, relieving you from all kinds of stomach related issues. Here's the authentic recipe. In a blender, add coriander leaves, mint leaves, ginger, curd, a pinch of asafoetida or hing, rock salt, black salt and water. Blend the ingredients. Now pour it into a glass. Next step is to take a little ghee over flame and mix a few cumin seeds and curry leaves. Let them splutter. Pour it over the buttermilk and enjoy. Extremely rich in B vitamins, calcium, probiotics. It is a must-have food for people with weak digestion. Each ingredient used has its own role to play. Try making buttermilk using this recipe and I promise it would be the most benefiting buttermilk you will ever have. Next on the list is lemon honey water. If you are looking for a tasty and refreshing drink which also supports weight loss, try one of my all-time favorites, lemon honey water. Yes, most of you would have heard about its benefit and might have tried also. However, there are people who complain that it causes acidity and is ineffective. Well, this may be due to some common mistakes that people do while making it. First of all, some people mix the juice from 1 lemon and honey in 2 glasses of water just to increase their overall salt water intake. Then some people mix honey in hot water. This may act against your body. To get the maximum benefit from this miraculous drink, in 200 ml of lukewarm water, mix the juice of 1 lemon and 1 teaspoon of honey. Do not gulp it down, sip it slowly. Drinking this way, the vitamin C and citric acid in lemon will flush the toxins from your body, giving you clear skin. Apart from this, honey lemon water shrinks the fat cells, strengthens the immune system and cleanses the blood. Just drink it the right way. To get best results, have this drink early in the morning, empty stomach. Number 3 is coconut water. Energy drinks are getting popular, but most of them are loaded with caffeine and chemicals which come with side effects. Here is Mother Nature's own sports drink, which is biologically pure, has potassium equal to that in 4 bananas, has an electrolyte balance that prevents high blood pressure and works like a detox in the body. Coconut water is something you should never miss if you have access to. The best time to have coconut water is before noon. Sometimes I drink coconut water after an intensive workout session in the morning, as it instantly replenishes the salts and boosts my energy. Number 2 on the list is sugarcane juice. Do you have sweet tooth? If yes, then you need to have sugarcane juice more often. Personally, when it comes to juices, my pick is always sugarcane juice. Not only I find it the tastiest among all juices, but it is also most nutritious. Rich in antioxidants, iron, calcium, phosphorus, electrolytes, it cures common cold and fights fever and other infections. Apart from instantly boosting energy, sugarcane juice has some astonishing benefits, like it strengthens the liver, it is a medicine for all kidney problems, relieves constipation, has low glycemic index, so is recommended for diabetics, and even prevents tooth decay and bad breath. It has so many health benefits that it wouldn't be an exaggeration calling it the best among all fruit juices. Do not worry about the sugar content in it. It is natural and is easily digested by the body. So whenever sugarcane is in season, never miss out on it. The best time to have sugarcane juice is during the day. Adding ginger to sugarcane juice helps it get digested better. Now before I reveal my number 1 pick, here is an honorable mention: water. No drink other than this could have been a part of this section, isn't it? 70% of our body is water, and the benefits of having enough water are well known. Whenever you feel like drinking something, drink water. I practice it, so can you. Coming back, the number 1 drink that you should try is carrot milk. Winter season is round the corner, and this is the perfect time to have carrot milk. Carrot milk is a traditional health supplement which can be consumed by anybody. And what's interesting is the way it used to be traditionally made in India. To start with, grate 1 medium-sized carrot. Now in a pan, boil the grated carrot in just a little water. Once the carrot gets half boiled, add 200 ml of milk. Let it further boil. This way the total water evaporates, and what is left behind is a powerful health supplement called carrot milk. Having weak eyesight, want a glowing skin, or relief from dark circles, or facing vitamin deficiencies, have carrot milk at least 2 to 3 times a week. And you can have it at any time of the day. If you wish to sweeten it, you can use jaggery powder or honey. One more drink which I have post-workout is whey protein in water. And when it comes to buying authentic whey protein, I highly recommend Nutrabay.com. Whey protein is a milk-based protein supplement safe for both men and women. Nutrabay is an authorized retailer for many high-quality trusted brands like Optimum Nutrition, Ultimate Nutrition, My Protein, Muscle Blaze and Isopure. 1 scoop of whey protein in water will give you 24 grams of fast digesting protein. The protein powder that I ordered from Nutrabay was delivered to me without shipping cost in just 2 days. You can try the recently launched chocolate mint flavor of Optimum Nutrition exclusively on Nutrabay. Since Nutrabay is an authorized retailer, a certified website for these brands, you can buy protein powder from them without any worry. You have my word for it. The link to their website store is down in the description box. Do not forget to apply the special discount coupon. So friends, that's all for this video. I hope you found it to be helpful. If yes, then please show me your support by giving this video a big thumbs up. Which one of these health drinks did you like the most and would try first? Let me know in the comment section. Please do remember to subscribe to my channel, hit that bell icon so that you never miss a video from me. Are you on Instagram? You can follow me there to get regular updates. My name is Vivek. I thank you so much for watching.